continue our journey into dimensional analysis. Yes?
What if I accidentally wrote the decimal point on my answer?
What if I accidentally put miles instead of hours?
I probably might give you a 2 out of 3? A 2 out of 0?
Alright, but I know the answer's not right.
Oh, okay. Well, then it doesn't matter. I don't know what the answer is. I just made this up, so I'll figure that out on my own. Today we're going to continue our journey into dimensional analysis. Did you guys pick up this packet on the way in? Cross out number 10. We're not doing that. 16 and 17. We're not doing any of those. Cross out 10, 16, and 17. Cross out numbers 10, 16, and 17. So what we're going to do is you guys can decide. I'm going to do one on each of the first 3 pages together with you. So you guys can decide as a class which one on the first page you guys want to do together. You guys have to agree as a class which one of these do you want to do together. I'll do one on each.
Number 3.
Number 4. All of them.
Yeah.
4. Why are you yelling? Sorry.
She's very excited.
Yeah, 4.
4? All right, here we go. Number 4. So number 4 says 36 centimeters per second, 2 miles per hour. This is kind of how we wrapped up yesterday. So I would write this like this: 36 centimeters per 1 second. That's my start. So let's get our centimeters to miles first. I know that there are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Do you guys remember that from yesterday?
Yeah.
That is on the yellow sheet. That's the thing I told you to get a tattoo of. Don't really do that. Don't really do that. There are 12 inches in 1 foot, and there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Remember, use your units as a breadcrumb trail. Use your units as a breadcrumb trail. Centimeters cancel out. Inches cancel out. Feet cancel out, leaving me miles per seconds. Do I want miles per second? No. I want miles per hour. Would it be okay with you if I did this? There are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour.
Sure.
Do you see what I just did there? Well, there's 60 minutes in an hour, right? There's 60 seconds in a minute, yes? 60 times 60 is 3,600. So seconds on the bottom cancels out seconds on the top, leaving me miles per hour. How many sig digs will my answer have? 2. Get out your calculator. Do it. Times. Order of operations is the most important thing, that you're typing this in the correct order. I've got my answer. Who's going to the fair tonight? Nobody? No one's going to come order the Giant from me at Bob's?
Wait, is this the last day?
No, tomorrow. Demo derby tomorrow. I'll be there tomorrow too. Tonight I'm working at Bob's. It's like just called Bob's. It's right beside the main lurcher stand by the grandstands. Just Bob's. It's called Eat at Bob's. Not Oklahoma Bob's. Don't get it confused. Two different. It's just Bob's. Guys, I got this shirt for $5 at Walmart yesterday. I know.
I like it.
My daughter asked me why there was a mouse on my shirt. I'm like, that's people playing polo. Yeah.
Polo's a sport.
Yeah. Guys ride horses and they knock a ball like with sticks.
It's like golf, soccer, horse riding.
But it's not about the least amount of hits.
What's in
Yeah, but it's golf because you're hitting a ball with a putt.
What about hockey, soccer? Yeah. What do we get? Who would like to volunteer? Gavin said it's easy. What'd you get?
No, I did not say that.
You said, and I quote, "This is easy."
What?
Oh.
I said I don't understand.
Oh, okay, got it. Sorry.
I
My
got
bad.
0.8 dude.
Yeah, I had .81. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, buddy.
0.81 miles per hour. 0.81 miles per hour. Still, that's only one sig dig. Because he starts as the first non-zero digit.
Oh.
So you need to have, nice job, Gavin. Next page. Which one you want to do? Page 2. What are we doing together?
You should do 8.
Are you guys just picking the last one on every page?
9.
8.
8 or 9?
I like 8. I like 8.
I'm hearing more 8s.
8.
All right. 8. I have 4.22 grams per centimeter to start. You guys take a second, see if you can get it. Give yourself. Okay, we'll do it together. Fine. We'll do it together. All right. I need to get grams to pounds. If you look up there on the yellow card, there is a conversion to go from grams to pounds. 453.6 grams in 1 pound.
Wait, how do you know, like, this is my only question. How do you know what to put on the bottom versus on the top?
Because the bottom is what I have, the top is what I want.
But, like, why would it switch? Like you said, switch.
Because the units, whatever the unit is on top, that unit has to go on the bottom. Because you got to cancel out. So it's what I have with what I want. That's why the units are that breadcrumb trail. They show you where to go. Okay, boom. Grams are gone. I've got pounds. But now I need feet. So, can I go directly from centimeters to feet?
No.
But I can't go from centimeters to...
Inches.
And how many centimeters are in an inch?
2.54.
2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Now am I done? No.
12 inches.
So if I have inches on the bottom, now it has to go on the top of the next step.
Inches.
Inches. So there are 12 inches in 1 foot. Multiply everything on the top. Divide by everything on the bottom. 4.22 times 2.54 times 12 divided by 453.6. How many sig digs should my answer have? 3. Grace, do you have it?
Oh my god, you're asking me.
Yes.
Why?
I'm just checking. What'd you get?
0.283.
I had 0.284.
I had 0.283.
Oh, I didn't round it up.
I had 0.284.
I had 0.284.
Okay, round it up.
0.284 pounds per foot. If you were ever doing this on a test or quiz, these are always worth 5 points. Here's how I do it. 1 point for the right answer, 1 point for the right amount of sig digs, 1 point for the right units at the end, and 2 points for work. So you're getting, like, by showing working on the right sig digs, and you're getting at least 3 or 4 out of 5. These are hard. So I'm trying to give you points for doing work. Last page, which one are we doing together?
14. No, 13.
Yeah, but the last, there's only like 1 on that last page. That's not that hard.
So we're doing the last page.
11, 12, 13, or 14, which one do you guys want to do?
13.
Right here, 11.
No.
13?
I want to go 12.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 12.
Ain't nobody care what you want.
I'm going 12.
Who wants 11?
Yo!
1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. That's going to be hard to beat.
Yeah, I don't want to read.
Who wants 12?
The TBG 12.
Who wants 13? 1, 2,
13 looks hard, bro.
13?
Like, it's the longest.
Oh,
Why not?
14.
Help
Look at
with
it.
that.
11 wins.
What are we doing?
We're doing the heebie-jeebies. So,
Well, I got poked in the head, bro.
you have the heebie-jeebies, your grandmother's sending you a remedy. First of all, let's say, just for fun, that we all weigh 120 pounds. Okay? So we all weigh 120 pounds. Okay? Now, whenever you are doing this, I always like to say the following. Save the rate. So you're going to be given some kind of rate that you're going to save for later in your dimensional analysis. What is the rate they gave me in this problem? Right here. I have 1 drop per 10 pounds. So that's going to be a conversion I'm going to have to use later in my dimensional analysis. So my question is, how many drops do I need to take per dose? So take 1 drop per 10 pounds of body weight per day, divided into 4 doses. So what is my first thing I'm probably going to start with?
The total amount of drops in one day.
I don't know what that is yet. Pounds. I'm going to start with 120 pounds. We'll start with 120 pounds. Okay? So it says take 1 drop per 10 pounds of body weight per day divided into 4 doses. So I know that for every 10 pounds, how many drops do I need? No. 1 drop.
I was skipping too far ahead.
I need 1 drop. Agreed?
I agree.
Yes?
Yes.
And then that's going to be divided into 4 doses. Let's just figure out our drops first. Or I could just go here. How many drops is that going to be? 12 drops. 12 drops. And then it says it's divided into 4 doses. Agreed?
I just divided you.
Divided by 4 doses. So how many drops do you get per dose?
3
Boom.
drops per
3 drops per dose.
And this is really what we voted for.
Per dose. You have the rest of the period. You have the rest of the period to work by yourself or with a partner and finish this. That means you have, I don't know, there's 15, you only have to do 12. We did 3 together. There's 9 you have to do on your own. There's 9 you have to do on your own. If you finish it, there is no homework.